Hey there, Candoers, and welcome to today's featured product announcement. Today we're going to be talking about Candu's Chrome preview extension, which allows you to take a look at how Candu content looks in your app before you actually publish it or even potentially before you install it. Let's get started. So to start with the preview Chrome extension, you can either link to it from our dashboard or you can go into the Chrome web store and just search Candu. And the next thing that'll come up is our Candu for Chrome native web builder. Click into that, and then you'll get a little bit more information about Candu and the Chrome extension itself. But you can skip that and just go straight to this button that says Add to Chrome if you already know what you're doing. Hit Add Extension, and you'll see Chrome will go through the whole process of checking it. But the next thing that will happen is that the Candu Chrome extension will actually pop up in this little nav bar over here, just like that. And the last thing you want to do here when you're in the nav bar is click on this extensions puzzle piece and pin Candu to your nav bar so that you always have access to it when you go into different sites. So now that we have it downloaded, what can we do with it? What does the Chrome extension give you? The Chrome extension is great for a lot of different reasons. Today we're going to test out how you can use it before you've installed content to test content on different pages. So you can test it on really any page of any application. I recommend testing it on your own application if you want to talk to your team about adding Candu. But today we're actually going to try it out on Zoom's app since it's 2021 and that only feels fitting. So if we're in Zoom's application and we see, let's say, here's this blank state screen that maybe could use some additional content, I can go in here and I can open the Chrome extension and I'll have a couple of different options. The nice thing about the Chrome extension is that if you're logged into Candu already, it'll automatically log you in. And all you need to do is hit this Start Candu for Chrome button. These two options are to add content that you've already built in Candu to the page, so you can test that out. If you haven't built content yet, or you don't feel confident in the content that you've built yet, you can also use any of our pre-built templates to try out where content would look good on your page. So today I'm going to try this announcement event. And what you'll see now is that there's a yellow box that surrounds all of the different divs on the page. So right now the Chrome extension just highlights the existing layouting of the page, and you can use it to add content to any of those divs. Once you've installed Candu, you can also create a custom div. So if none of the things that you preview look exactly right, you can talk about that in how you install Candu to make sure that you really set it up to be as visually appealing as possible. For now, though, I'm going to test out placing content into this div. So all I need to do is click anywhere, and it'll take just a second, but it'll load content exactly right down here. And the first thing you'll see is this purple box. The box is just to show you where preview is appearing and that this is Candu content. Once you publish that content, the box will disappear. It's really just part of the preview functionality. So now we can see how this announcement event looks in the meeting templates empty state in Zoom. And it actually, I think, looks pretty good. So, if I were working at Zoom, I might take this to my coworkers and talk about how we could add some content here to encourage people to build these meeting templates. Similarly, I hope you try this out with your team. You can use preview before you've installed to test on different parts of the page. You can also leverage it after you've installed if you want to preview content before you publish it live to your users. So it's a really great opportunity to make sure that publishing isn't your testing step. No one else can see what you do in preview. It's just for your eyes only. So please, as always, try it out. Let us know what you think. And thanks so much.